Have you ever wondered who makes the most money? The people who see things first, or the people who understand them first? There was a man. For 5 years, he didn't sell a single thing. People walked past his stall every day. Nobody stopped. Nobody asked questions. Nobody even looked at him. And then one day, that same man became rich. What changed? The product? No. The price? No. The quality? Not at all. So, what happened? To understand that, we need to understand a dangerous secret of the human mind. A secret that still plays out in the stock market every single day. Look, at first, his stall was full of ordinary stones. People walked by and thought, if nobody is buying them, they probably have no value. And they kept walking. Because people don't make decisions based only on facts. They make decisions by watching other people. This is called social proof. Now, here's the twist. One day, the man put up a small sign. It had only one word on it. Sale. That's it. No discount, no special offer. Nothing new. But suddenly, one man stopped, just out of curiosity. He thought, if they're casually putting up a sale sign, maybe there's something special here. So he picked up a stone, and then something interesting happened. Other people saw that someone had stopped, so they stopped too, because their brain sent them a signal. If so many people are interested, there must be something valuable here. Soon, a crowd formed. And the crowd created demand. The same stones that looked worthless yesterday suddenly looked valuable today, and the people who ignored them before were now competing to buy them. If you've realized by now that this isn't really a story about stones, comment psychology below so I know you're following along. The same thing happens in finance. When a stock is down, nobody wants to buy it. But when that same stock goes up 500%, or even 1,000%, everyone starts chasing it. This is called FOMO, fear of missing out. And when more and more people follow the crowd, it turns into herd mentality. People don't buy value. They buy attention. People don't buy assets. They buy stories. And that's why the biggest money is often made by the people who buy before the crowd arrives and sell after the crowd shows up. Remember this. The most valuable thing in the market is not the product. The most valuable thing is human psychology. Before you buy your next stock, ask yourself one question. Am I buying this because I see real value or because I see a crowd? And if this video made you think, subscribe to the channel. Because in the next video, we'll look at 3 famous stocks where this exact psychology played out in real life.